terms of the following number sequence. So presentation wise, you can just write down the next three terms in order, or you can call it term number 5 equals to something, term number 6, and term number 7. Okay, so what will term number 5 be? 14. So we just need to add 3 only, right? 14, 17, and 20. Okay, next one, term number 5, term number 6, term number 7. Oh, you all keep answering, then Marilyn and Fari will have a chance to sit down. So, Marilyn, Fari, anybody wants to try? No? Then I'll do it. So we are adding 5 to the previous term. So we have 24, 29, and 34. Part C, term number 5, term number 6, term number 7. Okay, give them a chance. So, who wants to try, Marilyn or Fari? Raise your hand if you want to try. Marilyn, do you want to try? Oh, but should I watch the video? She cannot what? Then have to find from a teacher lor. No, you watch the video, then you will know what is covered. Then find out from friends what's the homework. Okay, Fari, how? You were here yesterday, right? Okay, class 10. What is term number 5? 70. How did you get 74? What did you do mentally? What plus 6? 68 plus 6, you get 74. Why plus 6?
Because 68 minus 62 is 1.
Okay.
Then you take the 6 plus 68.
Oh, but do you check that all of them are just plus 6?
Yeah.
Oh, you check. Okay, very good. So what is the next term? Term number 6. 80. Okay, next one.
Then 84.
86. Okay. Okay, thank you, Fari. You can sit down. Now we have to find the 8th term. Okay. So Marilyn, for your benefit, this number patterns, number sequences, is actually just adding the same number only. Okay, so if you take a look at part C that was just done by Fari. Okay, Marilyn, are you at the correct question? 1C. Okay, 50, then 56. There is an addition of 6. Then 56 to 62, there's another addition of 6. Then 62 plus 6, you get 68. And that's where Fari said, oh, 68 plus another 6, you get 74. So this is called term number 5. T5 for term number 5, we have 74. Then term number 6, you add another 6. Term number 7, you add another 6. Okay, Marilyn, do you understand what's happening now? Good, you have caught up already. Now your turn to try. Question 2A. Question 2A says find the 8th term. Okay, so just follow what I have on the board. I'll guide you on the screen. I'll guide you through it. Okay, Marilyn, look. This is called term number 1. This is called, for the rest of you, this is a revision on term number 2, term number 3, term number 4, and they're asking for term number 8. 8th term. Okay, before we find out what is term number 5, 6, 7, 8, can you tell me what is the relationship between term 1 and term 2? Plus 2. Okay, good. What about from term 2 to term 3? Plus 2 again. How about the next one? Plus 2. Can you tell me what term 5 is, Marilyn? Okay, what would it be? 20. What about term number 6? How about term number 7? What about term number 8? So, our answer, 26. Simple? Okay, now you try the next one by yourself. Again, we are trying to find term number 8. Okay, part B, I think you can do it. The rest of you try also. Oh no, it's part of your homework, right? Then the rest of you, while waiting, you can look at the next page already because we're going to be starting on that soon. Workbook. She was not here yesterday. Yeah, so she don't know what's happening. Don't know. There's a non-crash course. Yeah. Oh, no, I don't know. I don't. Do you know where E-Ray is today? Oh, so he came today, but he left for dental appointment. But he went for dental appointment today. Okay. So, how, Marilyn? 47, can you tell me how you got 47? What is the difference? Plus 6. Is it plus 6 again? Okay, plus 6 again. So this is term number 1, 2, 3, 4. Term number 5, what do we have? 29. Term number 6. Term number 7. Term number 8. 47. Okay, do all of you have that? Yeah. Okay, thank you, Marilyn. You can sit down now. You have caught up already. Right, next page. The nth term of a number sequence is 4n plus 7. This is the first time we are seeing something like that. But they are telling us that the nth term. This part looks kind of familiar, right? The nth term. But before this question, we were asking about the 8th term. Term number 8. Then, a few pages back, term number 4, term number 5, term number this, term number that. And I remember yesterday I asked you term number 278 or something like that. 158. Yeah, correct. Term number 278. And we're not going to add and add and add. We are going to try and find a formula. So yesterday Indra told us that hey, you're supposed to add times 2, then you plus 2 to get the answer. Times 2 to what? The term number. So in this case, they tell us that hey, actually there's a formula for this particular number sequence. The formula is 4n plus 7. So without actually doing this question first, I want to explain what this means. Okay, now I'm going to highlight this is the formula for the number sequence. What does term number 1 look like? Term 1. Term number 1, the first term. That means n equals to 1. Okay, see the little 1 over here? It means term number 1. That tells us that we are looking at the first term. First term, n equals to 1. So every time you see n, every time you see this n, you erase it, you change it to become 1. So term number 1 has a value of 11. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4 plus 7 is 11. We are not answering the question over here. I'm just explaining to you what is happening. What does term number 2 look like? Term number 2, the second term. Wait, you're too fast already. Second. Okay, so second term, I'm changing the n to become 2. Okay, so what should I be writing in the 4 bracket? 2, right? All the n become 2 already. 4 bracket 2 plus 7. What do we have? 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. You're making me doubt my maths, no?
15.
8 plus 7, 15. Okay? Now what does term number 3 look like? Term number 3, 4 bracket 3, yes, plus 7. Okay, so what do we have? 12 plus 7, 19. Now it's 19. The bracket number is the term number, yes. Why does that happen? Because here, all these numbers, they are called n. 4n plus 7. The n is found here. The n is the term number. Okay? You see what? You see the pattern. Okay, what is the pattern? Plus 4. Very good. Plus 4. Did you all see that? Did you all see that the pattern was plus 4? But now can you see the pattern is plus 4? Now can see, right? If you look at the formula, does the 4 appear somewhere? Look at the formula. Yeah, yes, right. 4n. This is the 4. This is the difference. This is what we are adding. If it says 4n, it means that I'm always adding 4. Okay? But, okay, so now that we understand what the formula means, the question says find the first three terms. Okay, we have done that already. I didn't read, but actually they want us to find the first three terms. So these are the first three terms. Okay? Now, in part B says find the 35th term. Should we keep adding 4 and adding 4 and adding 4 and adding 4? Okay, try yourself. Try it yourself and we see what happens. Ugly, but T35. Look at how I write the 35. I don't want you to end up writing like this. Because then this is not going to be accepted. And you don't push your luck. Still write very big. Just make it obviously small. Can?
Then I write normally, right?
A small 35 here.
Write normally, like 45 terms.
Right, normally but smaller on the bottom right hand side. Okay, so this is given by 4 times of 35 plus 7. And we get 147. Okay? This little number at the bottom is the n value. So actually, you can write on this question, Tn. Okay, you know what? Everybody just write it down now. Tn equals to 4n plus 7. Everybody write this down. Tn equals to 4n plus 7. Every time you see the n, you change to whatever they want you to change to. If they say I want term number 956. You see the n changed, right? The n became 956. So you write equal to 4 times of the n changed already. 956. Then plus 7. Just follow what the n changed to become. Can? Because next time things may get a little bit more complicated. It may look something like this. So this is just a question that I'm just plucking out from my mind only. Don't need copy. The n could look like this. The Tn. Tn may be equal to n squared, 3n squared plus 2n minus 5. But we use n normally. Don't go and change to anything else. So for example, if this is the class, look up. If this is the number pattern, then our term number 1 will be 3 times of 1 square plus 2 times of 1 minus 5. And we get 0. Then our term number 2 will be 3 times of 2 square plus 2 times of 2 minus 5. Which gives us 12, 7 plus 4, 11. And term number 3, so on and so forth. Okay? So this way of writing is very convenient. Because it tells me every time you see the n, just change. Change to whatever they want. If it is term 1, change all the n to become 1. Term 2, change all the n to become 2. Term 200, change all the n to become 200. Okay, so back to the question. In question 4, the nth term of a number sequence is 5n minus 2. First line, I want everybody to write this down. Doesn't matter whether you know how to do it or not, I want everybody to write this down. Tn. Tn is 5n minus 2. So the nth term is 5n minus 2. Then the first term, T1, is 5 times 1 minus 2. The third term is T3 equals to 5 times 3 minus 2, so on and so forth. So we want the first 4 terms. Right now, T1. What is T1? Okay, fill in the blanks yourself. What is T2? T3? T4? They want all of them. Okay, please do this now. So term number 1, change the n to become 1. Term number 2, change the n to become 2. Yeah, minus 2. Then minus 2. 8. 5 times of 3 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is 13. 5 times of 4 minus 2, 18. So, what is the number pattern that you observe? What do you observe? You notice? Add what? What do we add? What do we add? Add 5, right? Do you all see the 5 in the formula? Are you sure? Do you all see the 5? Here. The number in front of the n is the number that we're adding. So wow, now find the 55th term of the sequence. So term number 55 will be 5 times of 55 minus 2. Oh, what's that? Okay, correct. 273. Done. Okay, anybody needs more time on this page? Anybody needs more time? Done, Patricia? Wait. Oops. Okay? Done. Okay, next. Let's go down to page... review exercise number 5. Okay? Your job right now is to start on page 99 until page... Wow, so few. Until page 103 lah. Okay, 99 to 103. Then we finished the book already. Okay, let's go down the line. Danish, what's subtract 4 from A?
A minus 4 or A.
Or. Is it? So both answers are okay? Okay, we are taking 4 away from A, so A minus 4. Now next, Henry. C plus D. Shabil? 3 groups of X? Okay, 3 times X. Can we simplify that? Because I don't want to write the times. 3x. Okay, next. Zhixian. H times K. Can I simplify that? HK. Okay, Indra? Okay, W over 8. Fari? Good. Okay, Wei Xin? Can try?
25 minus X.
Okay, correct. 25 minus X with a dollar sign bracket. Okay, so that's the amount that is left. Originally got 25. Take away X, that's what's left. Next. Sorry? Y out of 4 with a dollar sign. Next. Emma. 6W. Okay, good. Okay, Nora. N plus 3. Good. So originally had n, buy another 3, so n plus 3. Next page. Okay, Marilyn, give an equivalent. So we have a minus b, then the whole thing times 6. So what is it equal to? How many of the a minus b are there? How many are there? How many are there? Is there only one a minus b?
She never do. I do.
Okay, we try this together. Wait. Okay, all look up. Look at the screen. When I say 5 times 3, what does this mean? There are 5 of these trees. Marilyn, do you agree? There are 5 of them. Likewise, I can say that there are 3 5s. Do you agree? Okay, so when I say there are 2 times of 6, what does this mean, Marilyn? What does this mean? Give me an example. What would it be? What plus what? Try. Brian, what did she say? She said 6 plus 6. Okay, can. Now, Brian, give me an alternative. What else is it? What? I should have written 6. Yeah? How many of them? 6 of them, right? Okay. How about now? Instead of numbers only, I say a times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is correct one. No, I'm talking about the 2 and the 6 only. Okay, so a times 3. What does this mean? What does a times 3 mean? A plus A plus A. Okay, so this is just 3a. Right. Marilyn, are you learning? Okay, next one. So if I have a minus b times 2, what does this mean? No, but if I want to do it in addition, what does it mean? A minus b plus another a minus b. Right, so there are 2 of them. 2 times of a minus b. There are 2 of them. So back to this question. There are 6 of them. 6 times of a minus b. That's it. Can? Okay. Next one, Karin. Part B. 1/7. Bracket P minus Q. Okay, good. Next one. H minus K over 4. Yes. Okay. Have you done this already? You did the next one already? Do already. Okay, then you can try. So how much was spent on food? One over 8. Good. M plus E. She spent 1/8 of the total. Then you must put down your dollar sign also lah. Okay, she spent 1/8 of the total. No, not yet. Human. Next. Amount saved. How you get 2/5? Okay, so you should be writing 40%. Then Minus 2 over 5? So 40% of the total amount, right? Off means?
Minus 100%. It's times 100%.
Okay, times. Off means times. Times what? Total of the total amount. What is the total amount? So M plus E. Then we have our percentage. Shah. What is 40%? In a fraction or decimal. 40 over 100 M plus E. Reynard, what is 40 over 100 in its simplest form? 2 over 5 M plus E. Yes. Question 4, why? ME cannot. M plus E can. This is also correct. So now you know how to get the 2 over 5. Okay, Reynard, have you answered? Then Sean, have you done this page already?
Yes, I done it.
Sean, have you done this page? Okay, let's start. X buns, Y tarts on each tray. How many buns and tarts are there on 5 trays? Answer. X plus Y.
Then 5 bracket X plus Y.
So you mean like this? Okay, correct. Ashari, have you done the next question? Okay, answer.
8B plus 2.
8B plus 2. Confirm. Confirm.
Minus.
Plus or minus? Minus. Okay, next. Javier. R minus 6 over 2. She had R kg, take away 6, pack into 2 kg. Correct. Patricia, have you done the next one? Okay, answer. F plus 3 out of 4. Okay, correct. And Chloe. Y to the power of 2, or you can call it Y squared. Okay? Back to Danish. Next question. X cubed. Next, Yenrei. C square B. Or B C square also can. Cannot. Have to put a square. Okay, next. 4G square. Okay, correct. Next. How much? Huh? Then you come and show me what you write. Three T. 3. The small one. Like this. Up. Say it properly. Power 3. Or you can call it cube. Next. Indra. Okay, good. Okay, a few more pages. Fari, have you done this question? Okay, come, let's give the answer. Sorry? Okay, so area of 1 square is equal to d square, cm with a square. So area of 9 squares will be 9d square, square centimeters. Okay, so Fari, you did this already, right? 9d square, huh? Okay, Wei Xin.
7
7.
meter square.
E.
Meter square is here.
Okay, what is the volume of 1 cube?
7 cube. 7 cube, meter cube.
Okay, so volume of 1 cube equals E cube. And meters. So cubic meters. Then volume of 3 cubes. 7 cubes. So it will be 7 times of E cube. 7 E cube cubic meters. Neat. Total volume. So you must have the units. Okay, next, Shazwan. What for? Show me the working.
4 plus 2
No, what do we write first?
B equals
P. We are trying to find P. So we write P.
4 plus 2.5 bracket 0 equals to 4.
Okay. Equals to 4, yes. Okay, I noticed that Shazwan, he didn't write the 0 over here. It is okay. 2.5 0. 2.5 is the same. Okay, next. Emma. Four plus, stop. 2.50. 3.5. Okay. Plus 4. You get 12.75. Right? Okay, good. Nora, have you done the next one? Okay. What is the BMI for part A? What should we write first? Okay, B equals 69.5. 1.72 squared, yes. Press calculator again. Check your work. Okay, so Nora, what's the value? Okay. Round off 3SF. What do we circle? Okay, do we need to draw up arrow? Yes. So what is the value now? 23.5. Good. Okay, Marilyn. Next. Have you done this? Have you done this question? How you know? Yeah, she didn't say anything, so you don't have to say. Hey, shh. Okay, you know what? Since the lesson is coming to an end,